1.
This is the real Avid Gun Tool Max. Packed with 37 precision-made tools designed to keep you in the field or on the range. A detachable pin punch rides on board for easy disassembly, paired with a built-in tap hammer for stubborn pins. There's a detachable pick for pulling cotter pins or cleaning gunk out of tight spaces. The 8/32 threaded receiver and post pivot from the handle and accept standard gun cleaning elements like rods and brushes. Flip open the scraper for scraping carbon from both flat and rounded surfaces. At the range or in your blind, use the choke tube wrench to swap out choke tubes on the fly. A magnetized 1/4-inch bit driver locks straight for fine adjustments or at a 90-degree angle for added torque. Included are Torx, Phillips, flat, and Allen bits. An oversized flat blade flips from the handle for larger slots. Or there's a thin blade driver for adjusting scope windage and elevation. Plus 4 wrenches from 3/8 to 4 millimeters. There's a 3 1/4-inch drop point knife made from 440 stainless and a bottle opener for times out of the field. This rugged compact design has G10 non-slip grip plates and folds open into a heavy-duty combination needle nose pliers with an integrated carbide cutter. The Gun Tool Max lives in a MOLLE-compatible ballistic nylon sheath. The real Avid Gun Tool Max. If you're a serious hunter or shooter, this tool's got you covered.
Two.
We guarantee that our outdoor gears will be lighter and more powerful. Introduction, Helio, the best outdoor lantern ever. It is lighter, more compact, more energy efficient, and brighter. With only 1/5 the size of traditional camping lantern, Helio can be easily pocketed and even carried around on a key ring. Weighing only 45 grams, it can be put into your backpack without increasing any burden carry weight to you. Helio is the world's lightest and most powerful camping light. You can connect Helio to any USB port. It can be charged by any power bank, portable charger, or laptop, and it also can be used independently. It just takes 20 minutes to be fully charged and lasts over 6 hours of each time. Normally, small camping lanterns are not bright enough, but Helio can reach 200 lumens, which is twice brightness of general camping lanterns that you can find in the market. Manufactured with IPX45 waterproof standard, Helio allows you to stand up to rain or water splashing. Don't worry about weather conditions anymore. Helio is the most practical camping lanterns ever designed. Its stylish design with a hanging hook and magnet on the back allow you to attach Helio to any steel or iron surface. Also hang it from almost anywhere at places to light. Also, you can have all this just in the palm of your hand. Helio is perfectly used for outdoor adventure camping, hanging and lighting in your tent. Be used as a powerful flashlight when running, hiking, and climbing mountains. Make your bike riding safer and more enjoyable. With the magnet in its back, it can be mounted to any iron parts of your vehicle. Leave your hand free to examine or repair. It is the ultimate car repair flashlight.
3.
To cope in nature's unpredictable conditions, you need the best gear with you. This is COMBAR, the only heavy-duty multi-tool that combines the core tools needed for the outdoors: an axe, a hammer, and a spade, along with dedicated room in the handle for a magazine or COMBAR's knife and saw. All tools fold into a rapid activation system that weighs only 3.2 pounds. As former officers in the IDF Special Forces and devout outdoorsmen, we know that the only way to execute a successful operation is by sweating the details, cutting absolutely no corners, and planning for every possible outcome. We applied the exact same logic when creating COMBAR. Our first goal was to make a tool with a lifetime warranty. The starting point was to ensure that each tool was developed according to US military spec standards. But since no such combined tool exists, there are no standards for it. So we created a new standard. We put COMBAR under heavy loads and smashed rocks with it. We left it in water for a week and poured sand into every opening. After every torture test, we double-checked that each tool was still fully functional and locked securely in place, making sure our safety mechanisms are up to the challenge. The only way to create a life-lasting tool is to use life-lasting materials. COMBAR's main body is made of aircraft-grade aluminum. The hammer is stainless steel. The spade is made of a single piece of titanium, and the axe combines both titanium and stainless steel to enable sharpening. The different parts are meticulously fused together to a single sturdy unit that can outperform any task. To provide a great grip while using these tools, the ergonomically designed and well-balanced handle completes COMBAR into a tool that feels perfect in your hand. Inside the handle, there's room for COMBAR's knife, made of stainless steel and crafted as a top survival knife. Next to it is a place for the saw, made of aircraft aluminum and polymer with a blade replacement mechanism for full flexibility. To carry COMBAR, we created a holster and a case, designed for durability and rapid activation, because nature doesn't wait for you to find your gear. COMBAR will become an inherent part of your travels. Get one, and be ready for whatever comes your way. COMBAR.
4.
At Power Practical, we're all about lighting it up, but we're tired of lighters that blow out in the wind and run out of fuel. Introducing 2 new ways to light it up, Sparkr Flip and Sparkr Wick. Sparkr Flip is the rechargeable solution for disposable lighters. Its slim teardrop design fits easily into your pocket or bag. With a simple button push, the powerful electric arcs are revealed and pack a punch. Sparkr Flip's secondary bottom button makes lighting up those hard-to-reach places comfortable and easy. Sparkr Wick lets you reach even further. Designed with an extendable 6-inch neck, tilted head, and cross-patterned spark, the wick easily takes on candles, barbecues, and more. USB rechargeable and windproof, both Sparkrs give you the flexibility to reach further and light more. Join us as we ditch the disposable lighter and start sparking. Please back or share our project.
5.
Puriso is an easy-to-use and dependable water purification system that's an important yet inexpensive investment to make. The Puriso water purification bottle filters and purifies water by removing a variety of contaminants, bacteria, protozoan cysts, and particulates, and it reduces viral, chemical, and heavy metal content. Simply place the bottle's inlet into the fresh water source and pump. Water is drawn through the hollow fiber membrane and carbon filter, resulting in purified water. Close off the inlet, flip it over, unscrew the pump handle, and sip directly from the 410 milliliter purified water reservoir. Contaminated water never enters this chamber. Or save in a separate bottle so you can purify even more water. The replaceable filter can process up to 1,000 liters. The Puriso water purification bottle is great for hiking, emergencies, and for travel to places where you might not be so sure of the local water quality.
6. 7,